I think हमारे इंतजार की घड़ी खत्म हुई and Madam Bakshi is with us.
Give a clap to her.
Welcome, sir.
We are, Madam, आइए आगे. We are exceptionally privileged to have with us luminary in the field of obs and gynae and a beacon of medical excellence, Madam Dr. Kamal Bakshi as chief guest. Madam Bakshi's contribution to gynecology and obs are unparalleled. She has not only pioneered innovative treatments and research in the field of fetal medicine and reproductive medicine, but also inspired countless professionals through her unwavering commitment to excellence and compassionate care. Madam Kamal Bakshi has received many awards along with Legend Award from Delhi Gynecologist Forum. Her vision has shaped and guided Delhi Gynecologist Forum, and her presence today is a true honor to all of us. Ma'am Dr. Bakshi, on behalf of the Delhi Gynecologist Forum, I extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you. Welcome, Dr. Bakshi. इंतजार की दूसरी घड़ी भी खत्म हुई. Now we have Dr. Alka Kaplani with us. It's our honor for having a distinguished leader in our field. ऐसे मोमेंट्स आपको बार-बार देखने को नहीं मिलेंगे.
See, as far as today is concerned, I received a lovely message, and it looks nice कि हम तिरंगे में आए. तिरंगे हर हमारे सब में. It is in our DNA तिरंगा, दिल में तिरंगा, मन में तिरंगा, हर जगह तिरंगा है. लेकिन ये तिरंगा हमें क्या याद दिलाता है? I remember the pre-partition year, the trains, the people were butchered. And it is the army. Look at the people who lost their lives. So what we are, I would say, my heartfelt gratitude to every soldier who laid his life. The child lost the father, the wife lost the husband, so I can go on. Then, as far as today is concerned, Raka's message, everybody's message, that the women that we are, we have such a gentle heart, we women. And because we are women, and doctors, we take an oath to serve. So we serve especially all the specialties. But in the government, 36 are poor interns, PG, everybody. And look at it, what is done. A brutal rape and murder. I have been so depressed and sad. And I say, today I voiced myself, should I wear a black sari or a black ribbon or a black bandage? It's a dark day for every doctor. I would say, doctors, don't look at the color, don't look at the pocket, don't look as far as what race is concerned. They are only to serve. And this doctor, so that means everybody, whether a politician and lawyer or anybody, they should all stand for the women who gives nation the pride and the children. Today is a day of enjoyment, yes. Because many of our young girls who have worked so hard, I do not. So I'm very proud of each of them. But at the same time, we should team together our solidarity for this horrible incident, which should not be done. I mean, look at it. I mean, it is being repeated off and on. There should be a stoppage. And how can it be stoppage? We, the women, must give knowledge to our boys that look at every woman with respect. So teach them happiness, not the mobile to see all the horrible things. Thank you, Sharda ji. That I couldn't help it, you know. So that is why. And thank you for the lovely work. I wish to congratulate Dr. Sharda and her team. Look at the way the expansion has occurred. And look at so many stalwarts that she has produced. And today, I would say the happiness that she wants to spread, the academics she wants to spread. I can go on. And there are so many people, you know, to take name of each and everybody. Time is precious. So thank you. Jai Hind. Namaskar.